Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. This is a question about basic information properties of group homomorphism. So let G star be a group and each delta be another group. So we have here two groups. We consider an application f from G into H. We say that f is a group homomorphism if and only if for all x and y from G, one has f of x. This binary composition, which makes G a group, is equal to f of x delta this internal law or binary law composition, which makes from each group f of y. This is the unique condition, and here we have a group homomorphism. For sure, we suppose that G star and H delta are two groups. How we can prove that f of the natural element of G is equal to the natural element for the law for delta? How we can prove it? This is not difficult. Why? Because f of EG equal to f of EG star EG. This is a natural element, so this is true. This is equal to f of EG delta f of EG, because f is a group homomorphism. Which implies that if we take the inverse of the element f of EG in each, we get f of EG star f of EG prime. From this is equal to what? To this one, f of EG delta f of EG delta f prime of EG. From this side, an element of each is inverse element of G. This of G, but all this one is from each. It is equal to natural element for each, which is equal natural element f of EG delta natural element of each. And someone is happy. This composition, element from each, natural element, f of E.g. Why we can, this is a way, and I'm not sure that it is the unique way, but this is a way. We have the image of the neutral element equal to the natural element. Here we have a trick. If we want to show that given application is group homomorphism, we can first start by this one. If it is true, we can continue. If it is not true, we have to stop, because it cannot be a group homomorphism. This is a necessary condition. We proved the first result. I have two little properties to show. F is injective, equivalent, the kernel of I is reduced to the natural element of G. We will prove this first. So we suppose that F is injective, which means that for all x and y from G, once we have f of x equal to f of y, this implies that x is equal to y. This the definition of injectivity of a function. We suppose that this is true, and we prove that we have necessarily this result. How we can define the kernel? The kernel of F is defined by all the elements x from G, such that the image is reduced to the natural element of each, the image. We have to prove that this set is reduced to e.g. while we suppose that our function or our application is an injective one. So let us consider this one. By definition, the curve of f is given by this set. But we have that if two images are equal, this implies that x is equal to y. This is very short and very quick. X belongs to G, such that what? Such that f of x is equal to f of e g. Why? We already proved that f of e g equal to e h. But since that f of x equal to f of y implies this implies that x is equal to eg, which proves that this is reduced to eg. Done in this sense. In another sense, we suppose that the kernel is reduced to just this one, and we prove that f must be injective one. To do, we suppose that x and y are any given elements of G, both of them, such that f of x equal to f of y. What can we do? We can compose each sides by y prime. Y prime is such that is an element such that y star y prime equal to natural element of G. So f of x delta f of y prime, this is equal to f of y delta f of y prime. But by definition, this is equal to f of y star y prime, which is equal to f of y and y prime are from G, e.g., which is equal to h from this side. From this side, it gives us f of x star y prime, fx star y prime equal to h. What we suppose? We suppose that the kernel is reduced to just one element, which means that all the element x from G such that f of x equal to h, we have just one, which is eg. We suppose that. And here we have f of x star y prime equal to eh. Using this implies that this implies that x star y prime equal to eg. If we compose both of the equation by y, we will get x star y prime star y equal to eg star y. This is natural element, which improve that x equal to y. This ends this video. Thank you very much. It was very quick, very short. See you next time.